Grace St Moritz Apartments represents a fabulous opportunity for anyone to become a property owner in St Moritz. Buyers are purchasing a property within an international luxury hotel, but also have the ability to generate revenue in a new and highly sought-after development focused on authenticity.
Authentic is probably the word that describes St Moritz the best. The Margna Hotel, it has been built in 1906 and 07 by the famous architect Nicholas Hartmann, and will now be converted into a boutique hotel with very modern facilities.
We had to think what kind of facilities guests and owners will want. So the upper floors will all be completely renovated, but especially in the common areas, there are a lot of Art Nouveau details which we've maintained.
The relationship between the old and the new was the key. The past glory of a hotel that has been loved and cherished by the local community, at the same time giving it a new life in the 21st century hospitality.
The challenge for us is to preserve the distinctive character and charm of the former Margna Hotel, to deliver a culturally connected experience to our apartment owners, whilst making all of the accommodation substantially larger.
We created a luxurious home away from home feel with very carefully curated accessories that reflected St Moritz during the seasons.
In the winter, the destination offers downhill and Nordic skiing, while on the frozen Lake St Moritz there's horse racing, cricket and polo tournaments.
In summer, our lakes here in the Engadine Valley are very popular for water sport. But then, of course, all the hiking activities, mountain biking, golf, the diversity of St Moritz makes it special.
Owners will also receive complimentary membership of Strictly Grace, where we have 12 hotels either open or under development on 5 continents. Grace St Moritz Apartments offers boutique luxury that's grounded in authenticity, and we strive to create memories through locations where our guests can have the experience of a lifetime.